Everybody, if you want to know how to recover temporarily restricted LinkedIn account, and if you're wondering how to do so in today's video, we will be guiding you through the process to recover it. So without any delay, let's just dive right into the video in order to start the process. So for that, if you have got restriction on your LinkedIn account, usually you can check for your email. For a notification from LinkedIn explaining the restriction, you can find that email on your account. And once you find the email, you just need to go in and look out for the appeal section and explain the restriction and appeal the process. So right now I do not have any restriction, but if you get restriction, you will be redirected towards the help center where you can submit the form. So for that, what you can do is you can go to any of the website, your browser, and you can just go ahead and type in help center for LinkedIn and hit enter. And once you hit enter, you can just go ahead and find LinkedIn help and go ahead and tap on it. And here you will be finding different ways from which you can just go ahead and look out for the article. If you find the article for recovering your temporarily restricted LinkedIn account, you can just go ahead and cut for the article from here. Or even if not from here, you can just go ahead and search what is appeal for LinkedIn account. Yeah, just go ahead and type in that. And once you type in that, you will be finding the link for appealing. You can find it up and you can just go ahead and fill out this form right here. So here you just need to go ahead and explain your account activity and identity verification. First of all, you need to provide in your LinkedIn profile that matches the name on your photo ID. You can just go ahead and provide it here. You can just go ahead and click yes or no. After that, you can just go ahead and type in, just go ahead and answer these questions like, are you currently traveling, etc. Or have you created access your account? After that, specify your country location and country, etc. And also other things. And once you do so, you can even provide in a detailed description like how your account got restricted. It may be a mistake, something like that. You can just go and try convince them in order to get ahead and recover your account. And after that, here in the section, you can attach a copy of your ID and even add up an attachment. Once you do so, you can tap on this I agree, and here in this, you can just go ahead and type in your full name in the box. That will be acting as a digital signature. So just go ahead and provide it up, and once you provide it up, you can just go ahead and tap on submit. And once you complete it up, you will be providing with your details and everything. And once LinkedIn verifies your account, you will be able to access your temporarily restricted LinkedIn account that you were trying to get back. So therefore, you can go ahead and follow this process if you'd like to appeal for temporarily restricted LinkedIn account if you want to recover it. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.